how's it going again? It's Al Entrepreneur coming back with video 2 on how to get pre-approved. Just finished the video on the 12-step home buying process, so now I want to get a little more in depth about how to get pre-approved. So here we go. Once again, follow me on my blog at alentrepreneur.net, and also follow me on Twitter at twitter.com/alentrepreneur. How to get pre-approved. So pretty much you're going to start off with what's needed. You need your last 2 years tax returns, last 2 years W-2s, last 30 days worth of pay stubs. So if you get paid bi-weekly, that's going to be 2 stubs. And if you get paid weekly, it's going to be 4 stubs. 60 days worth of bank statements. Same thing. We're at the end of August, and so if you walked into a bank today, you would need June and July's bank statements, because August bank statements have not come out yet. Copy of your social security card, copy of your license, and a minimum of a 640 credit score. Now granted, if you want your file to go through smoothly, no hiccups, no problems, no trying to find a bank to get your deal done, a minimum of 640 is what you're going to need to get a loan done. Now let's look at the important factors. So when a loan officer gets your file, gets those documents, they're going to, calculate and put together the application for you. And these are the determining factors. Your DTI, debt to income ratio. Basically, they're going to look at how much you make per month, how much your expenses are per month, and they're going to make that into a ratio. And if your ratio is below 45%, you're going to get, that's a plus in your loan getting accepted. So for example, for simple numbers, you make $1,000 per month, they want your expenses to be no more than $450 per month, including your mortgage payment. So now $1,000 a month is, that's just an example, but that's what we're talking about there. Under 45%. Not saying that there aren't banks that will get it done, but I'm talking about your bread and butter, get the file done, no hiccups, no problems, everybody agrees with it type of file right here. So that's what we're going through. Next, they're going to take a look at your job history, and they want a minimum of 2 years on the same job. With some banks, they'll take a minimum of 2 years just working, but they like it to be in the same field. So if you worked, a minimum of 2 years on the same job, that's another positive for your loan to get approved. Next, they're going to look at your bank statements and see what type of savings do you have. Typically, they're going to be looking for 3 months worth of your mortgage payments plus your down payment. So for example, $100,000 house, you're paying $1,000 per month, and you have to put down 3% or 3.5%. So there has to be a minimum of $3,500 for your 3.5% down, plus $3,000 if your payments are $1,000 per month for your mortgage. So we're looking at $6,500 in savings for your account, your savings account. That's what we're looking at there. So pretty much with all those factors, what's needed and the factors that determine your loan, that's how you get pre-approved. That's how you get a file that's going to run through seamlessly. And if you're able to have those things put together, that's great. Your file is going to move swiftly. If you have a hiccup here or there with something, not saying that it can't move swiftly or seamlessly, it's just going to take a little more effort and a little more work. And I can show you how to negate some of those problems by some of the things that we have going here. So once again, remember to rate, comment, and subscribe. Go to my blog, alentrepreneur.net. Check me out on twitter.com/alentrepreneur. And be looking out for the next videos coming out. Once again, show you how to increase your credit score 150 points in as little as 11 weeks. Had a woman go up 127 points in 11 weeks, so it can be done. Show you how to make $5,000 to $25,000 per real estate investment deal. It's happening every day out here. And also showing you how to build a residual income so you'll be able to retire within 2 to 5 years. Thanks again for your time. Looking forward to talking to you soon. Take care.